Once upon a time, there was a young man named Siddhartha who lived in a wealthy family in India. He had everything he could ever want, a loving home, plenty of food, and good education. But Siddhartha was not happy. He felt like something was missing in his life. One day, Siddhartha decided to leave his home and family to go on a journey of self-discovery. He traveled all over India, meeting with different teachers and learning about different religions, but he still could not find what he was looking for. One day, Siddhartha was sitting under a tree when he had a profound realization. He realized that the answer to his search was within himself. He had been looking for something outside of himself, but the truth was that he already had everything he needed. Siddhartha had awakened to his inner self. He had discovered the power of spiritual laws. He realized that he could do anything he set his mind to, as long as he believed in himself and followed the laws of the universe. Siddhartha went on to become a great teacher and spiritual leader. He taught his followers how to awaken to their inner selves and use the power of spiritual laws to create a better world. Here are some of the lessons that Siddhartha taught his followers. The world is an illusion. Everything that we see, hear, smell, taste, and touch is not real. The only thing that is real is our inner self. We are all connected. We are all part of the same universe. We are all made of the same energy. We have the power to create our own reality. We can choose our thoughts, our feelings, and our actions. We can create a happy and fulfilling life for ourselves. We should live in the present moment. The past is gone and the future is not yet here. The only moment that we have is the present moment. We should live each moment to the fullest. We should be kind and compassionate to ourselves and to others. We should forgive ourselves and others for our mistakes. We should love ourselves and others unconditionally. Siddhartha's teachings are still relevant today. They can help us to live happier, healthier, and more fulfilling lives. If we can learn to awaken to our inner selves and use the power of spiritual laws, we can create a better world for ourselves and for all beings. Here are some examples of how you can use the power of spiritual laws to create a better life for yourself. If you want to be more successful, focus on your thoughts and feelings. Believe that you can succeed and that you deserve to succeed. Take action towards your goals and don't give up. If you want to be healthier, eat healthy foods, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep. Surround yourself with positive people and avoid negative people and situations. If you want to be happier, focus on the good things in your life. Be grateful for what you have and don't dwell on the negative. Spend time with loved ones and do things that you enjoy. The power of spiritual laws is real. If you believe in yourself and follow the laws of the universe, you can create anything that you desire.